Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you how to install this screen key. So first check on this repo. So what we can do is pacman, that's capital S, then search for screen key. Now we have this screen key. Now what we can do is sudo pacman, that's S, then screen key. Then let's do semester, right? So that's gonna be my installation. Now it has been successfully installed. So next what we wanna do is to open it. So I can do screen key. So now it has been successfully started. So if I just do pwd, so I'm on the home sinister gig. So what I want to show is to go over here, right? So we want to go on preference. So here the most important one is this one. So displays how long shall a text be visible on Windows. So it's gonna be for 2 seconds. And next one is the this hide the duration. Now it automatically hide the text on 1 second, and we have the screen. So if you have dual monitor, then you can customize where shall it be. And now it has the position. So right now my one is on bottom. You can customize according to your needs, so it's better to keep at bottom. So next one is the font, and we have the medium size, right? So you can do it small and type A. So it's gonna be small, so I don't like that, right? So let me keep that on medium. So next one is the show white space. So it's better to remove that, because if you just use it right like this, if I show you a space, so it just shows this. So it's better to just remove this. And we have the keyboard mode, backspace mode, and the modifier mode. This is for key. So we have the compose one, keep it as a default, right? Next one is background color is black and the font color is white. And if you want to show mouse, so you can do show mouse, right? It just shows the mouse, so where I have clicked. So if you want it, right, you can customize it like this. So thank you guys.